Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another price prediction for May 2024 on PEPEcoin, PEPE cryptocurrency, sitting on $1 billion volume for the last 24 hours. Indeed, the market correction is still going on, with a possibility, with a level as we speak, that could be a reversal point, even for BTC and for the other cryptocurrencies. As we are talking right now, things can reverse very nicely. As you can see, the 1-hour candlesticks have reacted very well across the board. Even the 24-hour candles are strongly down. Therefore, before we get into the topic, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We have the ChatGPT bot trading. We also have the one-on-one coaching I'd like to talk to you about at the end of the video for those of you that are serious about the crypto space. Now, the daily candlesticks for PEPEcoin are sitting in the following way, folks. There is a very strong demand zone as we're dealing with right now, and one of the great things PEPEcoin has successfully delivered is the major increase we had in the last couple of days, and it's basically that one. We had an amazing rally printing from those lows a 67% during 6 days. That's a little more than 10% daily. Constantly, PEPEcoin delivered that. Imagine on 2x leverage. That's more than 130% on your margin in 6 days, which means significant amount of money in 6 days, folks, from a cryptocurrency, which is obviously, when it comes down to retracement and corrections, it does big volatility movements, just like we can see it right now. But at the times of bullish conditions, there is no way not to deal with certain values of your portfolios in such cryptocurrencies as well. If you know how to trade, PEPEcoin is a very good solution to expand and make great money with smaller amounts of money. At the same time, this level here, if we successfully confirm this into a reaction and we don't lose this, then we're going to speak about a very nice possibility of breaking out of the trending resistance line of the correction phase, pushing into the golden pocket of the correction and flying into the upper, not into the middle, into the upper supply zone located around the 1,000 mark of the price action for PEPE, right? So 950 between 1,000 is where the supply is located. It's a lot of the volume right there, which the markets will enjoy taking out, a lot of the money that's going to be triggered on those points. So it's just beautiful, basically, for longs that are, simply not knowing how to trade. They will start buying into at that level, and then the ones that are buying at this level will start offloading their positions in the highs. What does it mean percentage-wise? Well, it means still the first level of the zone. It means around 55%, which is definitely something that I wouldn't refuse on a 2x, 3x leverage with derivatives that ends up on 100, 150% on my margin. That's definitely something that is worth considering. What's happening at the end of the day with the markets if they're continuing basically the decrease, and this is only because how does BTC needs to correct on the liquidity side? Well, you're going to deal with the 100 days moving average, just like you have been dealing in the past. That generated very strong reaction, and we were holding the price action well. So that's going to be also the place we're expecting another reaction to. There's many levels even below that are still portraying PEPEcoin in a good shape. So at the end of the day, we are not in a bad condition unless you lose this wick low, which means losing the 400s. Right? If you lose the 400s and the price tag, then it is in a trouble, because then you're creating actually a structure that will for sure create a lower high on the previous high and generate another pressure round that will take the markets on a lower low. So that is going to be trouble for long term, and that needs a bunch of the time afterwards with another accumulation phase before the bull market numbers are going to kick in. I wouldn't really consider that the markets have ended their form of bullishness at this level. No, it's a massive correction in a bullish condition, which obviously for some cryptos can represent 60-70%, unfortunately. I like to measure for PEPE, by the way. It's just 43%, guys. I mean, this is amazing. If you're asking me, that's something amazing. We did 63% couple of weeks ago, and that was quite powerful. That was the time all the weekends got liquidated. They panic selling. They've been pretty much giving away their PEPEcoin at a price of 400s, 450s. Meanwhile, in the next 6 days, it was around 900s. So that's double on the portfolio, and that's pretty much crazy and wild, but that's the way it is. So that's where we are with this one, folks. We're looking forward to hitting those tops, golden pockets, and levels much higher in May 2024. Enjoy. Make sure to check out this video till the end. We have our completely done for you ChatGPT bot trading without any prior fees, including the one-on-one coaching for those of you that are serious about this crypto world and would like to reach financial freedom. Let's talk about them.